Hi, Bridges families. This video is to talk about the program that we call Echoics. Echoics is really just another way of saying that we're copying a word that we hear. So it's kind of like an echo. So if you're working on Echoics with your child, that means that you're going to say something. You're going to say apple, and then your student will respond, apple. You might have some cards from your teacher. They might have yellow borders, and they should say echo in the corner. So when you look at that card, it will tell you exactly what to say. It might say phooey, or say yucky. And all of these are to practice the different sounds that our students are learning how to make when they speak. So the words don't have to make sense. We're just practicing making different letter sounds and also following a direction. So there's two skills that we work on with Echoics. You can also do this if your student is practicing Echoics even without the cards. You might just come up with a word that you know that they are having trouble saying. Maybe it's snake with an S. So you say snake, and then they should respond, snake. If your student isn't responding, then you're going to give them a partial verbal prompt. So say you're working on the word snake, you'll say snake, snake, and you keep giving them little bits more of the word to help prompt them along. So first I did just the S sound, then I made the SN sound, and then I said snake. That's the full verbal prompt. So you always start with a partial verbal prompt, maybe that first letter, and then the first two letters, and then a full verbal prompt for the whole one. Echoics are very, very difficult to prompt. So if you're trying to do Echoics with your learner, you want to make sure that you have something very reinforcing with you. So maybe it's access to their favorite toy, maybe it's singing a song with them. So if your student struggles with Echoics, you want to make sure you have something very reinforcing for them. So as soon as they say the word and copy the word that you said, then you can give them access to that reinforcement and give them lots of verbal praise. Wow, I like how you said snake, or great job, I like how you said yucky. And we want to give them a lot of that verbal praise so that they know that they did a great job. All right, good luck doing your programs.